This is the professional grade premium microfiber towel. It features a silk banded edge for scratchless detailing across your vehicle. It has a high pile side, which is great for removing water and spray detailers, and a low pile side, which is great for removing waxes and sealants. And it's available right here on Amazon.
Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash is formulated to wash and condition paint in one easy step. Whether you use a bucket wash or foam cannon, the premium ingredients gently foam away tough dirt and road grime without diminishing wax protection. Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash, a shampoo and paint conditioner in one.
What is SiO2? SiO2 is silicon dioxide. When it comes to car care, SiO2 is the next generation of technology that allows us to provide more durable levels of paint protection than was previously possible with traditional waxes. SiO2 provides the foundation upon which we can build appearance care products that offer hydrophobic properties like you've never seen before. Easy to use with incredible high contact angle water beating and increased durability, SiO2 really is the next step in car care.